Hello everyone, and welcome back to my gardening and growing channel. So today I'm going to harvest some of these leeks. See, pretty big, way bigger than my thumb. There's one here. It's really big. I'm not going to harvest them all. I might be able to keep the stuff and let it over winter. Some of them are pretty thin. Funny thing was, I was digging through this bed, getting it ready, and I saw this something moving in the soil, and it was a vole, V-O-L-E, vole. I guess he's making his home in this bed, and I kind of wrecked it. So those things can be a real pain. But anyway, hopefully he goes away. I'm not going to harm him or anything. Okay, so let's harvest this leek and see what it looks like. Go ahead and dig down. Should probably use a bigger shovel. Feels like it's pretty deep. That's real. I'm gonna bend my thing doing that. Let me get my other shovel. Okay, I had to go and get the bigger boy shovel, even though the shovel isn't really big, but bigger than the other one. So let's dig down. I think it goes pretty deep. There we go. Not that easy, especially with one hand. Okay, let's look at this thing. There you go. Well, that's nice. Look at that. That's a beautiful leek. Looks like the ones from the store. Got a lot of mud on it. Let's harvest this other one. Set it over here. Let's harvest this other big one here. See what it looks like. Without damaging my other ones. I'll just put them back in the ground. They'll be alright. Like I said, they're onions, basically. So they're tough. Pretty deep, too. Off this camera. I guess I did right, because everybody likes the white part of the leek. Okay. Whew. The roots on that thing, though. Another beautiful leek. Look at that. Nice. I guess I'll take this one too, since it got knocked out. This one ain't that big, though. Anyway. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video.